Hello, everybody, TechSavvvvy and today I'm going to do a unboxing. It's my hurry unbox because I wanted to try it out. It's a remote for my car, my 2200 cord. It works. I'm actually working out. Other than that, I almost forgot to bring this. I've been just struck at first for some reason. But it's one of those unboxing for you guys. First off is a SD card. But then it's got a second one of these and you get more of them. They're 2 gigabyte SanDisk card. Using my charger card, my Hdmi S6 and web, I'll show you guys in a minute. Because something else I have. This is a backup to my Elgato Cam Link. I am so fucking sick and fucking tired of videos failing. Trying to foolproof everything. Speaking of the Elgato we have from the Outsports I have bought. This is a Hdmi 1x2 splitter. To be used to hook up the Elgato Cam Link, which I have right here because there is no Hdmi output or something. Well, that's why it's cheaper to use. And then buy this later on. I'm back, I guess. So I'm losing. Oh. I gotta get the SD card out too, huh? Yeah, why not? Fuck it. I don't want this. So they're included the USB, I don't think, micro cable. Or HDMI cable, which is a problem. Okay, you can remove it. Okay, cool. That's one HDMI cable now. Sweet. Then the actual sweater itself. The twist of removing plastic. Here is the 2 output ports. One input port, my certain video for the Elgato. And of course, this is the USB-C port. So we're gonna go over here to where to wiring there, who gives a fuck. It's pretty goddamn obvious. Introduction. The 432 1.2 HDMI splitter is the new HDMI source accessing to mobile HDMI 6. Okay then. 6 is the outward user. The splitter allows one HDMI device to be put easily to 2 HDMI panel monitors or projectors. The splitter can be placed at the end of one HDMI cable to regenerate the HDMI signal. That's cool. Each one HDMI signal split to 2 HDMI sync devices. Okay. Again, switch board thing there. That's SINK, not SYNC. Full support full HD, full 3D support up to 3840 by 2160 or 30 Hz. I guess this is the resolution, I'm not quite sure. Support for CEC, whatever the fuck that is. For a D card, 30-bit, 36-bit port, Blu-ray, 24, 50, 60 FPS, HD3D, XGYCC. Okay. Digital audio format as DTS HD / Dolby, True HD / DTS / Dolby, HD3 / DSD / HD, HBR, whatever the fuck that is. Just sounds so. Support signal root timing. Okay. For 800G, 26 HDMI input up to 12 meters, output to 20 meters. Resolution is 4K, input to 8 meters, output to 8 meters. No loss of quality, we'll see all that. Smart version 1.4B, resolution up to, yeah, about 380 by 3840 by 2160. That's how I do that. Support video card format for 24-bit / D card, 30-bit, 36-bit. Support audio format, all that. Next bandwidth 320 megahertz. And like, they can print it out. They could have done front and back. Like, okay then. Whatever. So go down here to the area 675 is what the SD card is for, which I usually give it unboxing now. Could actually unwrap it, I suppose. Then we'll shove it in there. I love that knife, it's so fucking nice. Yeah, plastic. Coming to the back. Then Maybe above that. Alright. Remove it. Like this. Yeah. Here's the roof that this isn't messed with. There's my line to come down here and plug it into the capture card. Like is it outside? No, what the fuck? And go away. This is it's not going in. Hit it upside down. Oh, there it is. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and unplug my current gun here, which is actually switcher. So we do it go one string at a time. Let's get you guys in here. That here goes to the TV. That goes to the Hdmi. That comes from the Xbox. So you go ahead and plug it in like so. So we're going to remove the USB-C cable. Take the Hdmi's pull letter. Plug in the USB cable. We did that on right. We use the cable. Put the cable from the Xbox right here. Now the cable going to the TV right here. And the cable on the capture card. Or the blue on the capture card, I suppose. Right there. I'm down to the capture card, I'm going to rewire it a little bit. This is what like this scary right now. So I'm for the hook this up here. That wire goes to the TV. This wire right here goes to the TV. And that one down here with the Mac Mini we use. I went down the TV. I'm gonna have to use the HDMI cable that this guy came with, which is awesome actually. I do need this. Oh, I'm back out of it. Nice. Think of the cable. That's all I needed. I've into the Hdmi output. It's a short cable, but oh well. And I'll run into the cam link. We guys saw it. Oh, that would be USB extender. Mac Mini. Alright, this guy goes when I pull this USB adapter from Chromecast. I go ahead and take this USB. Oh, this is power from the, or for the HDMI splitter, and just try it in this power right here. Yeah, the idea of having two patches involved kind of sucks. The one compressor because that will take out everything with it, but you know what? Fuck it. So it's temporary, so I'm gonna go ahead and let it be. Go ahead and flash the TV right now. I'm gonna go ahead and start the Xbox. Pull my other monitor for the Mac Mini. I'll bring up OBS and try to get a signal. I once put my headphone plug and recover the card maybe. Oh shit, you know what? The Hdmi isn't hard, that's why. That might help. Fuck. Oh, I can just SD card right to that. Oh, it's blinking red light. Oh, it's got a signal. Where? Alright. So I've run the Hdmi power of 2 to kind of get power. It was working earlier. Now I think it might be okay to record.
not meet those are. Therefore, I would not me.
Yeah, me being a dick in the video. But yeah, we have it split.
So, yeah.
Team both miners and see the cam link up over there. That monitor was 1480p, which is the cam link. Because the main TV has here. So yeah. I had to hit the even record, we'll try to see that works or not, the audio thing. These will probably use something else later on, I have an idea for. But yeah. I had to let you see my post in that probably nice. I got a cable for it. Fuck. Have the gray one. It's too long in the other things too. Oh well. But yeah. Alright. I'm gonna pause. I'll guess a wee bit more, I suppose. Actually, that one. Oh. I see the delay. Oh, there's no delay on this. Let's find out. I'm not seeing a delay at all. Problem is, maybe when YouTube is running, you know, it's really laggy. Fucking down and down enough. I don't know what the fuck they're doing really. Here we go, find the biggest page of apps. Okay. We'll run this back up now. Let's see how laggy it really is. I haven't seen about it before. Alright, nice. So, yeah. Oh, you guys enjoyed? There you go, put this in here. They did record me putting this thing in. Yeah, most probably I didn't record me putting this in. But yeah. This is a temporary type of setup, by the way. I had mentioned I'm planning on doing my whole setup soon. I got one more order in through Amazon, and I'm gonna change everything. Or did I mention that in the video? I don't know, fuck it. Yeah. Hope you guys agree. Hopefully this thing all works. I'll, hope it's not getting hot or anything. I don't think it is. Let's get on fire. It was cheap, so let's hope not. I'm seeing it probably after doing that one, I'd like that one. If it was cheap. That USB adapter. But, I'll let it be for right now. And, yeah. Listen, guys. Take it easy.